Hi guys, today I am showing in rainy day how does look in Kolkata. We know that Kolkata is the city of joy. Actually, this drawing I have done casually. I thought that could not upload, but I thought let's upload whatever the drawing have been completed. So enjoy the video, and at the end of video please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Guys, I am using ibispaintx Android application, and this whole painting is done in the mobile screen, so it is very difficult sometimes to draw in the small display, but I have tried. I know this drawing is not up to the, but I have tried. Actually this drawing totally was casually, and guys I am using my finger to draw this picture. Okay. Now I am showing the light reflection which is being seen on the road. You can see I color pink and slightly yellow that could be more realistic to the painting. This drawing I have done just like watercolor effect with digital medium. So guys, let's see the end. I think it could be better. Thank you. So guys, like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. And at the end of this video you can watch my art and drawing playlist for all type of drawing, or you can check my description box. Thanks for watching and keep watching.